In front of me is Lenovo K6, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, go to settings then, and pick display. Now pick wallpaper, and here you can smoothly go through all the possibilities. You can also choose something from your own gallery, and if you'll open some picture, you can just slide up or down to check the others. So let me choose, for example, this one, tap on confirmation mark, and then decide if you want it to cover your desktop only, your lock screen only, or both of them, and I will pick both, lock and home screens. And as you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screen. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.